it is disgraceful to hear the life that Cocotti had before his death. Married to a beautiful woman that the name reads, who did not honor the marriage vow, who run Cocotti, who run Cocotti out of him own a house and bring in a medical doctor and Cocotti but say if they are home. But you know something? I don't sorry for him. And woman go through hell. And I just imagine that the first woman we him have, will build life with him and help him to be the success that he was. I bet you say Cocotti left her. Bet you say Cocotti left the woman who was his firm foundation and go take up this woman we have high color. Bet you. Many more around now are go through the same thing. Because you don't know no roots. When you don't have one little woman in the yard, we are wash and cook and clean and take care of you. You don't know how you appreciate them. And a lot of we women, see one of Clarendon we analyze his wife last night, cut her throat and light her up fire. And me hear how the woman take care of him, how the woman take care of the family. So all we women have to go through is menopause, menstruation, mental illness, and everything that surrounds us is about men. Because somebody didn't like us. Somebody created us to be helpmate for men so that we can walk out with self to take care of them and then we have to suffer until we dead. That's it. So, since Cocotti daughter come out and say, Cocotti not even look at Cocotti not even look pan him pitney them. Because brown skin girl come home and have baby. That's how it go. Me not even know. Or, me love me browning. What Bujo didn't say? One thing me know say me love me browning. Or me not stop cry. Something another. Something about browning. So Cocotti dish the people them who build his character, who help him, and go find one woman who a lot more I know DJ I go end up same so, you know? A whole lot more I know I go end up same so. Because you know left on no Jamaican shorty, and no left on no Jamaican slimmers, and no left on no Jamaican natty here, and no left on no Jamaican this and that, because you know want light skinned woman fi have no babies. Much more around I go end up like Cocotti. But you know something? Me dare fi create the blogs. Reds, enjoy yourself with your doctor man. And I hope you find everything in the earth to ensure say you use frankincense and more and get Cocotti out of the house make he never come back. Him get exactly what him deserve. Brute.